guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to fill a sketchbook page with magical and overgrown objects and share the full process with you guys. So bring your art supplies and paint along with me. If you are new to the channel, my name is Sasrin and I'm a self-taught artist from India and I'm a huge fantasy lover. So I love magical objects like potions, wands, witch and all sort of dreamy things. And my favorite genre of movies is obviously fantasy related movies, and my all-time favorite movie is Harry Potter. I had a craving to paint something magical, so I gone through Pinterest and found images that suit best for this theme, like overgrown and moss covered objects. It looks really cool to me, and I picked my favorite medium gouache to bring this into life. I hope algorithm helps me to reach this video to people who still believes in magic and loves fantasy art. To make my painting process easier, I start with midtones like the base color and move on to painting shadows, which are darker values, and finally highlights, which bring the painting together. Just 3 steps: midtones, shadows and highlights. I usually start my gouache painting with creamy consistency and just carefully keeps layering with different colors. That's how I usually paint it, but many of my favorite gouache artists started painting with watery consistency and gradually paint each layer with thicker consistency. They say it will make their gouache painting stay vibrant and doesn't muddy up the layer underneath. So I used the thin down gouache paint to map out the colors and values first, which made the process much more easier and enjoyable and less time consuming. So I'm going to use this technique more often and experiment with it. Next, I'm going to paint is a potion making process, which includes cauldron, potion, books, herbs, and other raw ingredients to make a potion that seduce the viewers to keep watching my videos. Shall we call it as a views potion? Because that's what I lack most in my YouTube channel. And I had a really fun time searching and choosing the references and loved painting this tiny potions so much. I just feel like I slowly turning into a witch. I choose each object from different reference images and collage together for this part. Does it go well together? Let me know in the comments. I don't know what else to say, so I will stop yapping your ears off and catch up at the end of the video. The lantern turned out so pretty, and it's my favorite illustration in this sketchbook spread. If you guys have any video recommendation, let me know in the comments. I like to know what kind of videos you guys expect from me. Thanks for watching till the end, guys. Part of the sketchbook spread is coming soon, so subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. See you soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye.